Okay, now this is a teach of how to revise the punching if not punching in the center. Firstly, we need to prepare a black material like this. In the camera, we can see this. No light can go through this. Okay, now we start. Firstly, the sample parameter, this part. Okay, this is a pixel. We click this and then next stamp. Okay, here we will punch a hole, a target. Then we make the lightness, make it very dark. Okay, and the contrast also make it dark. Then we see the this green line to cover the punching tools, the punching the target. Okay, then we sample this target. Okay, this valve we choose the auto. Then we sample. See the blue line to cover this target we need. Okay. This whole the monitor we cannot see any white light, only the black. Then we start to pixel. Okay. Then this punching will. Okay, if we see this is this pixel revise is okay, finished. And then finish that, we were to a center offset punching for three times. This is one time, 2 times, and 3 times. Okay, if like this, the revise success. Okay, thanks. Finish. Okay, after we revise the target, then we need to change the lightness to make it bright. We can see the target very clearly.